Hi, I'm Dr. Antonia Johnson. For this speech tip, we will focus on the Grammar S rule number 2. You say this phrase. Some people say $1, $3. Say this phrase. Some people say I love, she loves. Say these sentences. Some people say Sam's car. This grammar rule is difficult because in some languages, the S speech sound is always voiceless. It has no voice or sound from the throat. So now let's learn a second rule for the grammar S. Here is grammar S rule number 2. When the root word ends with one of the voiced speech sounds B, D, G, V, L, R, N, M, or a vowel, use the voiced S sound Z. In other words, for clear American English, if the last sound in a root word has a voice, then the S has a voice. Why do we have this rule? I think it is because English speakers think that if their voice is already on, it is easier to leave the voice on. People love to do things in an easy manner. Let's do practice of this rule number 2 for the grammar S for plural, where the S has a voice and sounds like a Z. $1, $3. You do it. $1, $3. Now let's do grammar S for a verb. I love, she loves. You do it. I love, she loves. Now grammar S for the possessive. The car belongs to Sam. Sam's car. You do it. The car belongs to Sam. Sam's car. Remember, a vowel is a voiced sound, so root words ending with a vowel sound have a grammar S. Z. Let's practice another example of a root word that ends with a vowel. I try, she tries. You do it. I try, she tries. Grammar is important for giving information when you are speaking and writing. Be sure to say the grammar S loud and carefully and clearly. For example, if people can't hear the grammar S for a plural object, they may think you are only talking about one object or thing. Things and objects are so important to human beings. We think one computer or one car is good for a family, but we think several or many computers or cars are better for a family. Let's do one last practice of the grammar S with a difficult word. 1 sandbag, 3 sandbags. You do it. 1 sandbag, 3 sandbags. Thank you for watching this speech tip video. Like us on Facebook for more videos or subscribe to us here on YouTube. Let us know which words are hard for you to pronounce. We may use them in future speech tip videos. For more information on accent reduction, visit our website at cleartalkmastery.com.